Inspired Birdie. So today we're going to do a Dollarama haul. So for those of you new to my channel, Dollarama is the Canadian dollar store. So you're going to see some items ranging from $1, sometimes a little bit cheaper, but usually from $1 anywhere up to $4. So let's just jump right into it. So today's, my main purpose for going today was actually just to pick up some dog treats. I pick up these milk bones for my puppies. They're just a really good deal. I believe they're about like $1.50, so they're actually cheaper than getting them from Walmart. But that was really my main reason for going, and then I ended up with all of this stuff. So we're just gonna go with whatever's sitting here in front first. Now I did get a Christmas decor item as well because they started putting their Christmas out and we are September, but super excited to share that as well. So here for me, I picked up one of these are just like makeup sponges. I needed a new one, so I picked up this purple makeup sponge. It was $2.50. I think Dollar Tree also sells these too, so could have gotten it a little bit cheaper. I love this soft soap brand, so I picked up some body wash, and this is actually the exact type of scent I was looking for. So I wanted like a coconut type of body wash, so I grabbed that. There's no price on it, but I'm gonna say anywhere between $3 and $4. All depending on like the retail price. Picked up some M&Ms. These were $2. And then for the kiddo, I just picked up some more of these cars. I've hauled these types of cars before. They are the Montoy, Montoy, I think is how you say it. $2.50, and you get 4 different cars. Kids love these, so I picked up another pack. And then for arts and crafts, they had this really cute ghost, $1.25, so same price as my Dollar Tree. And it does come with a paintbrush and some paints for that ghost. They also had Dracula. I think it was just Ghosts and Dracula. That's all that I saw. Now, I hauled this recently. I believe I hauled it recently, but this is a repurchase. So it's $1.50, and you get 4 different pumpkins that you can DIY. My kid loved these, so I picked up another set. You can make like spider, bat, vampire, or just regular old pumpkins, and it's a lot of fun for the kids. All right, so continuing along, the last item that I got for my kid was, this is actually a steal, guys. If any of you have kids and you follow Paw Patrol, this was a complete steal. So these go for almost, I'd say about $15 on Amazon or at Walmart. And when I saw these, the girl putting them out, the girl that worked there was just saying she couldn't even believe that they had these. So I grabbed this one, and I grabbed the Zuma one, but this is definitely not like a standard item that you're going to find. You just kind of have to go to your Dollarama and see if they have any. But that would be one of my big steals of the day for sure. And the last item, sorry, I also got this for my kid. This is actually going to be a stocking stuffer at Christmas time. I thought this was really cute. It was only $2.50. Ultra soft toothbrush, so you get your cute little toothbrush there, but it comes with a doll. So I just thought that would be a lot of fun, you know, not just your standard toothbrush. But I also picked her up a new toothbrush because she did need one. So I went with this Oral-B Soft. I believe it was about $2, I think. One of my other purposes was to pick up some gloves. So with COVID getting crazy again, I like to have a spare pair of gloves in the car just for getting gas and things like that. So I picked up these black for $2. And while I was there, I saw these Paw Patrol ones. I thought my kid would like these. It's Sky. They were $2. It is the Nickelodeon brand as well. And then I saw these really cute winter gloves. I have like the really big, you know, like the Carter type gloves, and she just hates them. So I thought, you know, if I can't get her in her other gloves this year, at least I can try maybe these ones. They're smaller, so maybe not as, I don't know, intimidating to wear. And my last actual decor for fall, I got 2 things here, but for fall, I just happened to find this really cute 3-tier pumpkin. It was the only one they had left. And I almost put it back because it has some blemishes, like right there where the paint is chipped. And I decided to get it anyways. I was like, you know what? It's not about perfection, right? I actually really like that it's not perfect. And I really liked the pumpkin. And it was $4, so I grabbed that for myself. And you can see that it says, "Be blessed thankful. So that was a really cool find. And then I also found these sparkly black pumpkins I thought would be cute for Halloween, $2.50. Don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but it is quite, like, it's quite big. It's bigger than my hand, so quite big. I should have actually probably picked up another one, but yeah, I got that as well. Now for me, I picked up some kitchen items. I don't normally do that. So the first item is this mini frying pan. So they had it for $4. It's one of those like black, kind of like, it almost feels like a rock pan. But what I loved about it is I don't have a small frying pan, first of all, so it's a small one. Non-stick, but also the handle. I love these like silicone soft handles. So yeah, I picked that up for $4. One of my wash brushes. These you can get at Dollar Tree as well. Same price, $1.25, at least at my Dollar Tree. And then I picked up some knives. So I saw this paring knife, and I don't actually have one right now. So I picked this up. It's a really pretty little like pink one. And then I also picked up this larger one that I just thought would be really great for when I'm prepping a lot of our vegetables and foods. And this is a 5-inch. And what I really liked about both of these is that it came with a knife cover. So I really liked that it had that cover on there. I think this one was $4 and this one was about $2.50 or something like that. But what sold me was the knife covers. I really did appreciate that. And then I found this spatula. I absolutely love this. I'd love to replace all of my cookware with this type of pattern. Super pretty. But they only had the spatula. It was $2.50, also by Rama Designs. That is not a Dollarama brand that I'm aware of. So I don't believe it is Dollarama. Yes, I just thought it was super pretty and I needed a new one, so that all worked out. And then my other two finds, so these are my last two finds, and my favorite is first this picture. I thought this was such a beautiful picture, and the camera just doesn't do it justice as to how big it is. It is a fairly large canvas, so I was very surprised that Dollarama had this. It is on a canvas. So really, it's really good quality. And they had some other ones too. They had some that looked like faux wood, and they had some that looked like faux wood with white and almost that like aqua blue writing on it. It looked very farmhouse, very much my style. And the only reason I didn't go with that one is I didn't like the words on it. So, oh well. But I do love this one. I love that this is like an off-white color. Almost very farmhouse too, actually. So as it says, just a family rules picture. Family rules. So keep your promises, share, think of others before yourself, say I love you, listen to your parents, do your best, say please and thank you, always tell the truth, laugh at yourself, hug often, use kind words, love each other. I just really like that. I have no idea where I'm going to put this, but I just knew I really wanted it. So that was a really awesome find and a new item. And then my Christmas item for today is this really beautiful rustic Christmas tree. I got 2 of them, and the picture was $4 and the Christmas tree was also $4. Look at how beautiful this is. So it's September, but I can guarantee if you don't grab these items now, they will not even be there in October. That is how quickly these items go off the shelf. And a lot of these newer items, they do not restock them. So by like October, November, December, maybe not October, but closer to Christmas, you just end up with the same, tinsel decor items, because all of these really beautiful new ones just go out of stock so quickly. So grabbed, like I said, 2 of these. They were $4 each. I thought these would be beautiful decor items. You could put little twinkle lights in them. Super pretty, and they just have a stand like this, just to give you guys an idea. And they're pretty tall, like, yeah. Anyways, so that is my Christmas item. Wasn't expecting to find that, but those are the items that I got today. Again, went in for some dog treats and came out with all of this stuff. But hope you guys enjoyed this share and that you're having yourself so far a good end of summer, and you're enjoying your start of fall. Thank you so much for stopping by, and love and peace to you all. Bye.